Hello everyone, welcome to another session of Angular. Let us see how to add Bootstrap to the Angular project. Open the terminal. Make sure that you are in the folder where package.json and AngularJSON are available. So here type npm install Bootstrap. So Bootstrap has been installed. So you can see that same thing. Go to node modules and under the node modules you can see the folder bootstrap and under the bootstrap you can see the dist folder. Under the css you can see bootstrap.min.css and which will have all the css classes, and this is minified version. You can see the normal version also, bootstrap.css, and same way we have some of the classes like bootstrap.grid.css like that. And under the js folder you can see bootstrap min.js, and we know that bootstrap is a css framework library that comes with a lot of css classes, and also it is uses the javascript. That's why you have the bootstrap min.js file. Many of you know that bootstrap uses the javascript internally and that requires the support of jQuery, so we need to install the jQuery also. So npm install jQuery. Now jQuery also installed, and same thing you can see here. Just refresh. Here is the jQuery for you. So jQuery under dist we can see that jQuery min.js, and even you can see that jQuery.slim.js. So now we have installed the required packages. Now it is time to refer the CSS and JS file in the angular.json file. So in order to use the bootstrap we need to refer it in the angular.json file. In earlier versions of Angular, this angular.json file was called as angular CLI.json. And here under the build folder, you can see that we have the styles entry and scripts entry. And under the styles, we need to add the bootstrap.min.css file here. So here we are going to refer the bootstrap CSS file. So the path starts from the node modules. So node hyphen modules slash bootstrap slash dist. You can see the same path here, bootstrap dist and css, and then we have bootstrap min.css. So just take it dot css. Now it is time to add the bootstrap min.js file. So this one we need to add, so just copy this path, paste it here, and here instead of the css just use the js, and instead of .css it should be js. Since the bootstrap is depending on the jQuery, we need to add that one first. So we need to add here. Here order matters, otherwise you will see the error. Node underscore modules slash. So let's go to jQuery. Node modules jQuery slash dist slash. You can see that boost jQuery.slim.js. So jQuery.slim.js. So it is lighter version compared to min.js. That's why I'm adding the slim.js. Now just save it. Now let us go and run our application. Now here we need to move to the src folder, cls ng sir, and I forgot to mention one thing, that whenever you install any packages we know that the dependency will be added to the package.json. And if you go and see in the package.json, you can see that jQuery bootstrap under the dependencies section. So this helps whenever you share the code to anybody. Normally people don't share the node models because of the its size. So then whenever you use the npm install, the npm install will look into the dependencies and install the all the dependencies packages. Now it is compiled successfully, and let's go and run it. So it is working fine and we don't have error. Let us open console and check if we have any errors, and here also we don't have any error. And now To make sure that Bootstrap is working fine, let us add some CSS classes of Bootstrap to the any one of the element. And src app, let me open app component. Here I'm going to add one button, and for the button I will add the Bootstrap classes. So class button, button primary, and let me name it submit. Now let's go and see. There you go. So Bootstrap has been applied successfully, and we can see that Bootstrap classes are applied to the submit button. And same thing you can confirm by opening the elements tab. Just go and see here. You can see the button primary, and when you go and see the styles, you can see that these styles are coming from the buttons.scss file, which is part of the Bootstrap. And you can see that whenever I mouse on it, it is from the webpack node model slash bootstrap scss. So Bootstrap is added to our application and it's working successfully. And let me add one more thing. Just add a div with the class container fluid. Let me keep this inside that so that we get some margin. So container fluid is also one of the Bootstrap classes. Now you can see that margin is added and it looks good. So this is how you can add the Bootstrap to your Angular project. If you have any doubt, please leave a comment. Thank you for watching.